Imagine having a tool that helps you get new ideas, make better decisions, and grow your business faster than ever. That tool is AI. But here's the problem. Most people don't know how to talk to it. They waste time, get weak answers, and never see its full power. Today, let's fix that. You're about to learn how to talk to AI like a pro. We'll show you what to ask, how to ask, and why asking the right way can change everything. No more guessing, no more weak answers, just results. What is AI prompting? AI prompting means giving the AI clear instructions to help you. Think of it like talking to a smart friend who can do research, write, plan, and even sell for you. If you ask the right way, you get what you want. If you ask the wrong way, you get junk. Most people type random words and hope for the best. That's like asking a stranger for directions but not telling them where you're going. Let's do it better. Why prompting matters. AI is powerful. It can write blogs, design images, research topics, and help you sell products. But it needs clear direction. It's like having a Ferrari without knowing how to drive it. Most people have power over AI, but no control. With good prompting, you can get clear, sharp answers, fresh ideas, step-by-step plans, winning sales copy, and research that saves time and money. Great prompting turns AI into your personal success machine. How to write effective prompts. Here's the secret. Good prompts are clear, specific, and action-focused. Let's break that down. Number 1, be clear about your goal. Tell the AI exactly what you want. Is it writing, summarizing, explaining? Examples. Write a 1,000-word blog post on topic in a tone that's casual and friendly. Summarize this research paper in simple terms for a general audience. Generate a short, catchy headline for a streetwear product launch. The clearer you are, the better the AI's answer. Number 2, give context. AI loves context. It works better when it knows who is helping and why. Examples. My audience is entrepreneurs aged 25 to 45 who want to improve their marketing skills. This is part of a social media campaign that should grab attention and drive clicks. Give background. Let AI see the big picture. Number 3, be specific. Details matter. Tell the AI what tone, length, or style you want. Examples. Tone, formal, casual, playful, or bold. Length, 3 to 5 bullet points, 1,000 words, or 1 sentence. Style, persuasive, informative, or storytelling. Number 4, break big tasks into smaller steps. If you have a big request, split it up. Examples. Step 1, outline a 5-part course on YouTube basics. Step 2, write the introduction for lesson 1. Step 3, create 3 quiz questions for lesson 1. This makes it easier for the AI and for you to stay on track. Number 5, use examples. Show the AI what you want by giving an example. Examples. Write it in the style of this ad copy. Insert example. Make it sound like a motivational speech by XYZ. Examples guide the tone and style. Number 6, use constraints. Tell the AI what to avoid. This keeps the answer focused. Examples. Avoid technical jargon. Don't mention specific topic. Keep it under 500 words. Number 7, test and refine. The first answer might not be perfect. That's okay. Adjust your prompt. Examples. That's good, but make it more persuasive. Add a compelling call to action at the end. Use simpler language. Aim for a 4th grade reading level. Examples at work. Let's see how this looks in real life. Write a 1,000-word blog post on building confidence in a casual tone for 25 to 45-year-old entrepreneurs. Outline a 3-step plan for using Instagram to get new clients. List 5 catchy headline ideas for a streetwear product launch. Keep each under 10 words. Summarize this research paper in simple terms, no jargon, and keep it short. Write an email that promotes my coaching program. Make it sound like a motivational speech by David Goggins. Give me 5 bullet points explaining how to use AI to improve my marketing. Avoid these mistakes. Too vague. Help me. Write something. The AI won't know what to do. Too complicated. Long, messy prompts confuse the AI. Keep it clear and short. No tone or style. Always add the tone you want. Serious, casual, bold. Tell the AI. Make AI your business partner. Think of AI as your assistant. The more you use it, the better it gets. Build a library of prompts you can reuse. Create folders for it, blogs, emails, sales pages, and research. The more you prompt, the faster you grow. Putting it all together, effective AI prompting is like learning a new language. The more you practice, the better you get. Start with simple, clear prompts. Test them, adjust them, build your library. Remember, be clear about your goal. Give context. Be specific. Break big tasks into steps. Use examples. Use constraints. Test and refine. With the right prompting, AI isn't just a tool. It's your secret weapon. Your action plan. Don't just watch this video. Do it. Open your AI tool now. Start with a headline or a short email. Refine it. Add context. Add tone. Keep testing. Soon, you'll get results that make your business unstoppable. With the right prompts, AI becomes your secret edge. You spend enough time guessing. It's time to start winning. Right now, every second you waste scrolling for ideas is money left on the table. Think about it. How many hours have you spent trying to figure it out? How many opportunities slipped through your fingers because your messaging didn't hit? How much mental energy have you drained fighting with prompts that produce nothing but noise? With AI squared, that all ends today. This isn't just another nice-to-have tool. This is the difference between staying stuck in guesswork and executing like a top 1% operator. Imagine hitting publish with confidence every single time. Imagine getting instant clarity on what to write, say, and sell. Imagine finally having AI on your side, not fighting against you. Don't let another day go by watching others scale while you stall. Unlock 100+ powerful battle-tested prompts that transform AI from a toy into your ultimate business weapon. Stop the guesswork. Start executing like a pro. Watch your content, offers, and authority scale in record time. Click the link in the description to get AI squared now and take control of your success. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.